in case you were ever wondering what the air conditioning system looks like, besides being loud at a hospital, this is it. That's a little bit over there. It's the power source. There's some pumpy dumpies. Look at all these pipes. Those are some pumps. Oh yeah. Take like 5 steps back and I'm still in the picture. That'll shut the power off to the whole building. Here's some heat pumps. There's some oil pumps. Low pressure steam line, that's the old Detroit Heat. Everybody still uses it. There's the power control. Some more pumps. Oh, here's some storage. Aha! Just the thing I've been looking for. My drywall cart. And there is some ductwork. Comes out at 138 miles per hour, I'm told. Yeehaw!